Good morning, students. Yesterday we have studied about the reflection laws and some examples for the reflection through plane surfaces. Now we are going to study about the refraction of light from plane surface. Okay, refraction of light from plane surface. So refraction means, already I told, the bending of light which travels from one medium to the another medium. Okay, so here is the some introduction is there about the refraction, and afterwards we learn about the rules of the refraction. Reflection is different, refraction is different. Okay, so here it is page 166. In daily life you must have seen many examples of refraction. You have seen that the base of vessel filled with water seems to be upraised. Do you know why this happens? So for example, we take the one vessel, bucket or anything. Now we poured water. After pouring the water, when we see, after pouring this one, this base part is there na, we will see like this base part is raised. Okay, this base part is raising. Inside that, when we see inside of this one, we see like this base part is raised. Okay, and the next one, instead of water we use another fluid like kerosene oil or turpentine oil. Will the base of vessel seems to be upraised by the same height as water? Yes, instead of water if you are using another liquids, so like that only will it show. Insert a pencil or spoon in a glass filled with water. Pencil appears to be bent. We will study the concept behind this by doing an activity. So why this is one? This is okay. For example, in the glass, if we keep the pencil, okay, so we put the pencil and then we poured the water. So when we pour the water in the glass and put the pencil, just in your house now you do it. In the house, you take a glass, okay, in the transparent glass you take, and in that you pour water. After pouring water you keep the pencil. So when you keep the pencil, you will see that one as the pencil is bending here. Okay, the pencil like bending here and the size also will be increasing. Okay, and the next one you do in the glass, in the transparent glass you keep the coin and pour the water and observe it. You feel like the coin is raised, little it raised. Okay, so why all these things are happening, we will see now. Okay, why all these things are happening. Okay, now for example, put a bowl on a table, put a coin on bottom of bowl, ask your friend to stand near the table and watch the bowl. Now ask her to move away from the table so that the coin disappears and stand at the point. Now pour water in the bowl without disturbing the coin. Is your friend able to see the coin from that place now? How is that possible? Do a refraction of light in water, the coin seems to be upraised from its real position. Actually, a virtual image of the coin is seen by your friend. Okay, so what is the virtual image and actual image? We will see now. Why all these things are happening? For example, in the bowl we put the coin and we are seeing from here. Okay, beam of light is passing. Okay, opaque pot. Understand? Opaque pot means this pot is opaque. Opaque means, I told the meaning now, opacity. Opacity means which is not transparent, thicker. Okay, apple is the opaque and mirror is the transparent. Okay, like this. Our body is the opaque. So opaque pot, and now fill with the water, light beam. Before, water is not here, so that light traveled in the straight path. Okay, now we poured water. After pouring the water, you see the bending of light. Light is coming, but now it bends. Yes, now you see here it is bending here. Yes, so this bending of light is called as a refraction. And next one, after pouring the water, when we see this is the coin is here, but after pouring water we feel like coin is raised up. Okay, so but actually coin is here, but we feel like coin is raised little up. So it is called as a actual situation, means where the coin is. But after pouring the water, we feel like coin is raised. So it is called as a virtual status. Understand? So please do this activity at home. Understand? So pour the water in the glass, keep the coin, and then you see, and you feel like before pouring water and after pouring water you will see the difference. Like that only, pour water and keep the pencil, you feel like pencil is bending. Okay, note the differences. Okay, so why it is happening? This is happening because of the bending of light. Okay, so we will study in detail way about this. And another one I wanted to say now light is traveling from here, and why it is bending here. Okay, now here we will see about the two mediums. Okay, so this is the rarer medium. Okay, so you write here rarer medium. Rarer medium means the air. Okay, so here is, this is the vacuum. Okay, this is the air outside of the glass. Okay, so it is the denser medium. This water is what? Denser medium. Denser means what? Thickness. Okay, denser medium, rarer medium and denser medium. Okay, understand? So you write this one. Rarer medium means transparent. You write the meaning, transparent. Okay, that means air or the vacuum, all this. Denser means thickness. thickness, thickness. Transparent medium and denser medium. When light travels from transparent medium to the denser medium, that means air to the water. Okay, so this is one medium. So separating, when the light is traveling, it is separating the medium. Okay, so bending of light, and when this light is going from rarer medium to the denser medium, light is bending. Okay, so this bending will separating the both the mediums, rarer medium and denser medium. Okay, so why it is bending means because it is thicker than the rarer medium. Okay, so this is the one. And then next one we see here. Okay, so when we see here, when light ray moves in a medium, it follows a straight line path. But what happens when light passes from one medium to another medium? Now you see here, when light is passing here, water is not there, so only one medium, it travels in a straight path. But when there are two mediums are there, outside the rarer medium, air, and from air light is going to the other medium, that means in the water it is traveling. So what happens here when it is travels from one to the other? But what happens when light passes from one medium to another? What happens to the straight line path at the surface of two mediums? Okay, so this is the surface of the two mediums. It seems that upon entering the second medium with some inclination means bending, light changes its direction of propagation. So when the light travels from one medium to the other medium, some inclination, some bending is there. Okay, and also it changes its propagation. The speed of light also changes. Okay, so here, okay, why it is happening we see in the next video.